As 2025 ended, news broke that the government would not renew the contract of Ombudsman retired Major Gilbert Swaso. The decision sparked public debate, especially as officials have yet to explain why. Beyond the silence, however, lies a bigger issue: the future of the Ombudsman's office. Created in 1999, the office serves as a key constitutional watchdog, investigating complaints of abuse of power, poor governance, and violations of the Freedom of Information Act. Here's what the Act says. Any person appointed as Ombudsman shall hold office for a period of 3 years and shall, at the expiration of such period, be eligible for reappointment. The Ombudsman emoluments, that is, not less than the emoluments which may from time to time be payable to a judge of the Supreme Court. At its core, the office of the Ombudsman is meant to be accessible to everyone. Any individual or even a group who believes they've been treated unfairly or abused by any authority can file a complaint. The office also has the power to examine allegations of corruption or other wrongdoing by public officials. Former Ombudsman retired Major Gilbert Swaso summed it up clearly during a 2023 interview with News 5.
We exist for people who suffer injustice, people who are vulnerable, people who essentially are not getting the service that they believe that they deserve. We in the office need for those members of the general public to come and make the complaint, because it is only through the complaint that we are able to do our job from the office of the Ombudsman. And that is a point that I want to emphasize. No need to suffer in silence.
For decades, everyday Belizeans have turned to the office of the Ombudsman to speak out about injustice and corruption. In recent years, that includes an elderly Belize City woman who reported a wrongful eviction in 2024. An investigation launched into a 2025 prison shooting, and most recently, a request from social activist Jerry Enriquez for a formal review after he was denied access to information on government legal fees.
The Ombudsman's office is there to protect the people of Belize and for the people of Belize to refer to when they experience any abuse by public officers or any injustice. And so he is the go-to person for who we could appeal for justice when we feel like the government or state authorities are abusing their authorities. So that is by virtue of that, then I went to the Ombudsman.
Although some cases have progressed through the Ombudsman's office, others argue their complaints were dismissed or left unresolved, like Belize City resident Monique Tech. In 2024, she raised concerns regarding alleged injustice at the hands of the Belize Police Department.
Several times I go to the Ombudsman, go make report, go make complaint against the department, and I get nothing done. 2 states about, my gentleman. Go make a report, nothing. No Monday they come to my house say they want thief PI murder. Which PI murder? Who the murder?
While some question the office's independence because of how the Ombudsman is appointed, one thing is undeniable: the role exists to protect everyday citizens from the misuse of government power. Today, that office remains empty. Reporting for News 5, I am Paul Lopez.